When it comes to a quality sleep, a quality mattress really matters. Yuval Michler with Texas Mattress Makers shows you how to choose a mattress that can help with aches, pains, and other things that keep you up at night. Yuval, before I got my mattress from you, I was waking up every morning and I had these crazy headaches and I kept thinking, what is wrong? And I'd take my aspirin and go about my day. I never thought that it was related to my mattress, but fact of the matter is, a lot of our aches and pains are related to the mattress that we're sleeping on.
You'd be shocked how correct you are. Let me show you about the headache, let me show you what happens.
Okay.
You see the way Mr. Lax is laying on the bed?
Mm-hmm.
If you notice, his head is a lot higher than his shoulder on the bed.
Yeah. Now, a lot of people would think, oh, that's because your pillow is wrong.
That is correct. If his lower extremity would be a bit lower than it is right now, it would put an enormous amount of strain on the back of his neck.
Okay.
Now remember, when you're laying in bed, you're dead weight.
Right.
So you put so much pressure on your neck that you're not used to, you're not thinking about, and then you're trying to maneuver your body.
And that's
to
what I was doing. I
accommodate
kept doing this. I stick my arm under, I do that to make myself comfortable. And I just didn't think it was my mattress because I thought my body was fine. I thought it was just up here something was going on.
Right.
But when I got my new mattress, one of the things you did, of course, because you always do this with people when they come in the store, is you have them lay on the mattress and you check all those areas that are being supported and those areas that are not being supported. I woke up the very next day, headaches gone, have not had headaches since then. All right, other aches that people can have include back aches, especially for back sleepers.
Lower backache for a sleeper means that the bed that you're laying on, you're cupping. Let's exaggerate. Your chest is here, your knees are here, and your hip is down.
So you're putting all that pressure on your back throughout the night with that dead weight.
Exactly. And what you're also doing is that because you're not straight, you're putting an enormous amount of pressure on your chest, i.e. shoulder blades, and on your thighs and knees to try to accommodate the small of your back. So it pulls immensely on your skeletal and on your muscles.
Yeah. So the bottom line is, if you are making mad adjustments in your bed and you keep tossing and turning, chances are your mattress is telling you something. It's not the right mattress for you. All right. Other people have actual ailments they've been diagnosed with that sleep, it could be part of their treatment program.
Correct.
For example, people with acid reflux, when they lay flat, it's just really hard and all that acid and stuff like that builds up and they can't sleep throughout the night. You have beds that can help elevate them enough where they still get a great night's sleep, but it helps them in that process.
We went to one of the best gastroenterologists in the medical center, and I sat down and asked the gentleman, what is it that you recommend to customers, or patients I should say, that have acid reflux? Beyond the medication that they give them and the diet, they always give them a wedge. They say you should lay in a wedge. The problem with a wedge is that the wedge will always hit you at the mid-center of your back and you will be in so much pain, you'll forget about the acid reflux.
Yeah.
But you need to be at an angle. This bed is created that you are at the perfect angle to allow your body to lay straight, whether you're on your back, on your side, or on your tummy, whichever way you like to sleep.
Yeah.
But it allows your body to be at the right angle, so gravity, always remember, gravity will let your acid go down instead of coming up.
Yeah, and the other thing is you're not piling a bunch of pillows on and hoping you can stay on the pillows the right way. This right here gives you also that support, so that makes it perfect throughout the night. People have sleep apnea, they have insomnia, all kinds of things that prevent them from getting a good night's sleep. And this is really kind of the foundation of getting that good sleep. If you don't, I think we oftentimes underestimate how important sleep is and what it does for our body and the types of things it can avoid if you get a good night's sleep.
If you do not get a good night's sleep, to put it bluntly, you feel lousy. Everything in your life goes badly. If you have aches and pains, they get worse. If you have physical ailments, they get worse.
As we come up on July 4th, one of the things that a lot of people feel is important is that these mattresses are not only made in America, but they're made right here in Houston, Texas.
All our inside components are made in Texas. Everything we make is American. And I'm proud that everything we make is made in America.
Yeah, your factory is down at the navigation location where people can go down there to your showroom and be fit into a mattress, but you also have your new location right here in Katy where you can also come in and get fit to your mattress.
At Texas Mattress Makers, and I say this sincerely, we are the only people in the city of Houston that can fit you properly in a bed, and we care more about how you sleep and your comfort level than you could ever imagine. We know every component in every bed. We're not perfect, which means if we'll make a mistake, we will fix it. But we will take care of the way you lay down based on how you sleep, the way you need to fit in that bed. And if you have, for example, an acid reflux, most folks will tell you, let's go buy adjustable beds.
Yeah, but there's that bend in there, and
You
that
don't buy
bend
an
doesn't let you,
That's right.
yeah.
You don't buy an adjustable bed. It sounds good, but in reality, it's going to hurt you. It's not going to help you, and it's extremely expensive.
Yeah.
Why go through the expense? A, because it doesn't work, and secondly, it's going to hurt you.
Yeah.
Where you have something that is enormously less money, and it works. But you have to know what you do, like everything else. If you're a professional at what you do and you put the time and effort into studying it and wanting to be the best at it, then that's exactly what you are.
All right.
We are the best at it.
I'm going to tell you, I have sent several of my friends here, and I mean the hard to please friends, and every one of them were like, well, okay, I'll give it a chance. I called them the next day, they're like, oh my goodness. And can I say, those friends who kind of had some attitudes before are now suddenly nice and sweet. So, you're right.